Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Instagram could not refresh feed. So guys, when you have opened your Instagram, as you can see now, I am going to open my Instagram and check that what kind of problem will be facing. So guys, now when I am going to scroll down, so guys, wait for a few seconds. You can see here could not refresh feed. So guys, how can you fix this problem? Simply you can fix this problem. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you need to open your settings on your phone, and guys after this you need to connect Wi-Fi with your device. So guys, if not have Wi-Fi, then you need to open your mobile data, and after doing this you need to go back. And guys, secondly, you need to open your settings again, and guys after this simply you need to scroll it down, and here you need to find app management, app list, and guys here you need to search Instagram. So guys, simply you need to search here Instagram, and guys after searching Instagram you need to open your Instagram, click on the storage and cache, click on clear cache. And guys after doing this you need to go back. Third step is you need to open your Play Store here, and guys here you need to search Instagram, and guys you need to update your app if not updated. So guys, now I am going to update my app, and guys after updating simply you need to open your Instagram, and guys after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to open your settings again, click on system, and guys after this you need to click on reset phone, click on reset Wi-Fi settings. And guys from here, if you are using mobile data, then guys you need to select any sim in which you have mobile data, and guys after doing this simply you need to click on reset. And guys here you need to put pin code of your phone that you are using for unlock, and guys after doing this your Wi-Fi and data settings will be reset automatically. And guys after doing this, then guys you need to open your Instagram, and guys after this your problem will be fixed, as you can see here. So guys, now I am scrolling down, and guys now you can see my problem has been fixed totally. So guys, as you can see here, I can't find any or could not refresh feed. As you can see here, my problem has been fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.